This is my clip. Putting it on, as simple as that. Taking the other end with the tie wrap, putting it on. I'm gonna wrap it around a couple of times. I got two hands. So now when I go out, I'm not gonna lose it. It's on there. I showed you a little trick, kind of a hint. Old school stuff. 1/10 clips I don't have. 1/8 clips I do have. They put on with a rubber clip into the body and they stick on there real strong. I never had them come off, even with the rubber clip onto the body. I had fun with the ramp. Yes, I did. I gotta make it straight instead of curved and see what that will do. But I'm going to the skate park now. Do a little bit bashing. This looks like a good spot, but I got a couple of holes. How can I fill that in? Bring a shovel. Hey, I'm Fish. Little run fun in the dirt. How people make this vehicle look so big when it's so small. Oh, it hit me. It's telling me, take me to the skate park. This is my first time on the grass. Not fun. Well, it's not my first time on the grass, but it is the first time on this mound. Little jump. Big jump. I almost hit the fence myself. All right, so jumping on dirt's not that fun for me. But there it is in the dirt. 2S. Whole bunch of cartwheels. Tall grass, not great. So we are going to go to the skate park. I can't get it to do what I want on the dirt, but let's do a spin out, slow motion. Woo-hoo! Now I gotta go clean the vehicle up. And that's not a bad thing to do. At least it got some moisture on it. You never know when grass gets wet, right? Skate park's gonna be more fun. Maybe I can get all the dirt dried off, having that crashing and bashing fun. To the skate park! Finally, the kids are not here today. Let's go have that fun like I promised at the skate park. Oh man, little flip. That all about? I don't know if my GoPro is on or not. Yeah, bounce on the belly. Which has more failures in life? GoPro or the RC H16E? Post down below. Well, let's shut this off because this is still on. Let's just pull this off here. And you see the back is on, right? Back's still on, right? Watch this. broken terminal. Broke this off right there. They sheared right off. You'd think the wing would stop it. Still on. We need to shut it off by a long press. Again, this was glued 100% on. Self-adhesive, don't hold. Turn this bad boy back on. Short press. Lift up. Good to go. These things, they're indestructible, but they do have their little flaws. Could this have overheated? Don't know. So, again, glue this bad boy, maybe find a better spot for it. These cables are short, can't put it back here. Tie wrap it is the best bet. I had a lot of fun. Not going to worry about the body post. Now I got to order a set, because these wear out on concrete. If you hear people out there say these things are indestructible, they're wrong. I'm not going to tell you it's indestructible. I'm just going to tell you the truth. And there it is. Body post. Not going to ruin my fun. I could ride it without the body. I could probably make my own little posts, stick it in there, put little tubes. I'm going to go home, clean the bad boy up, call it a day. Definitely an off-balance vehicle. Don't know how to go straight. Definitely needs a different ESC. Now I was trying to throttle control that. Again, it just wants to go to the side. All right. I think I'll stand here, go for this run right here. Must have overheated or knocked the battery terminal out. What more? You're looking to get into the RC hobby no matter what scale it is, and this is a budget-friendly truck. As long as you don't bash and crash it overly, it'll last you a long time. The DRC H16E costs $105 when the coupon is available. $139 minus $35, and then you get tax on the $105. You use everything that you have, you're good to go. But once you got to start to buy $3 parts and all, it all adds up. You want a new body, a clipless body, new posts, modification, upgrades, hop-ups, you name it, it adds up. Then you're getting really into it. You want to get yourself, let's say, a Hyper Go, just a 1/14, just a little bit bigger, then you're doing great. Then you got to add up, hey, I want to get a controller. And you're going to look at a Fly Sky that they make 5 preset controls that you could tune to everything 6-channel. There's a lot of fun involved. But these budget cars, they come with the price. They don't steer 100% straight. The arms are this way for a reason, so they can go straight. So you're going to have to do a lot of caster adjustments and all that good stuff. I've been here, did that, done that. And when I had the Turnigy Monster Beetle, it went straight with no hesitations here and there. So my next step is, straighten this bad boy out You see why it's just doing one of those and pulling this and that. I hope you enjoy your hobby. You know, once you get into this, you're going to be hooked, and you're going to buy. And you're going to have endless pockets to support your hobby. I hope you understand what I made this video, how much fun it is. Don't get hooked that fast. Just enjoy and have a good time.